Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cane sauce full guide. Start by gathering cane syrup, white vinegar, butter, garlic, and your preferred aromatics. Heat a saucepan over medium heat and melt butter before adding minced garlic to bloom flavor. Stir in cane syrup and vinegar, then simmer slowly while whisking to reach a glossy, pourable consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, or a spoon. In this video, I will show how to make cane sauce full guide. Measure your ingredients precisely for consistent results. Cane syrup, white vinegar, unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Combine butter and garlic first to infuse fat with flavor, then add syrup and vinegar in stages so you can control sweetness and tang. Keep heat low to avoid burning and use a whisk to maintain a smooth finish. In this video, I will show how to make cane sauce full guide. Maintain a gentle simmer and stir, often to prevent scorching and ensure even reduction. If the sauce becomes too thick, thin with a teaspoon of water or extra vinegar to taste. For a silkier finish, finish with a small pat of cold butter off heat and swirl it in. Serve warm for glazing or cooled slightly for dipping and storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.